Are you tired of working a job where you see no end in sight? Well, in this video, I want to show you how I was able to make a full-time income without getting into cryptocurrency, Forex, or any of the other get-rich-quick schemes. If this isn't your goal, then go ahead and skip this video. But if you're looking to make additional income using the strategies that 90% of millionaires use, then listen up. 5 years ago, I just wasn't happy. I didn't feel like I was living in my purpose. I know I needed to make an extra $10,000 to $20,000 per month in order to leave my job, but everything I looked into, I know I needed to have money saved up to get started. Until I learned how millionaires fund their investments. Once I learned that, I was able to leave my job, make a full-time income outside of my job while only working 3 to 5 hours per day. If that sounds interesting to you, I invite you to click on this ad where you'll learn how I was able to replace my W-2 income within a year and eventually grow a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio. My name is Aaron James, and over the past 2 years, I've helped hundreds of people buy their first rental property without losing money, all so that they can leave their 9 to 5. The biggest reason I see real estate beginners struggle is not because they don't have money, and it's not because they have bad credit. It's actually because they don't understand creative financing. Creative financing levels the playing field for investors who don't have a lot of money to get started. I know you're thinking this guy is full of it. There's no way I can build a real estate portfolio with no money. I get it. I understand the skepticism. In all honesty, it's more of a reason to click on the ad because I go into detail on how I was able to build my real estate portfolio. And I talk about how you don't need an 800 credit score. You don't need to have thousands of dollars saved up. You really only need the motivation to be successful with creating passive income. If you do that, it's really the start to your future. Now, this is just a short YouTube video. I obviously can't go into all of the detail here, but I look forward to you clicking the link and learning more about real estate. I look forward to seeing you on the inside where we can go into the detail on how I was able to build my real estate portfolio and how you can do the same. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.